Now going to show you how to apply the roller blind backing to your show fabric. Now the backing has got a face side, that's the way that people see when looking through the window, and then this is the side with the glue on it. This is a heat activated glue which we're going to use the iron to make happen. So what you then do is you take your show fabric and you pop the show fabric over the top of the backing. We always make it slightly bigger than that so that you don't get the opportunity for any of the glue to get on the bottom of the iron or the ironing board or something like that. So that goes like that, smooth it out with one hand. Okay, we're now going to iron it on, and I set the iron good and hot on max 3 setting with steam. Just check that the cloth will take a hot iron. Some of the artificial fibers may be a bit tricksome, but this is 100% cotton cloth and there'll be no problems. When you start ironing, you start from the middle and work out to the edges, and here we go. Right, so I'm applying this here. Now, nice, slow, steady movements. What we're doing with this is, and you can see that the fabric is starting to pucker out, but you're moving the fabric to the edges each side. Okay, out it goes like that. Now this is a type of ironing, it's not as though you were doing it with a shirt. This is really more pressing than ironing, and it's good if you can actually put quite a lot of pressure onto the job as you're doing it, because then you're really melting that glue and squeezing the glue into the fibers of the cloth. So you go right to the edge. In that one, there's no problems of it going there, but you see you're getting a nice thing here, and I'm actually working reasonably hard to push that down. That goes like that, and then you just work your way from it, working from the middle, get that down there, and then pushing it out to the side there. Okay, so that goes like that there. There we go. So what I like to do is, having done the ironing there, is let the thing bide for a little bit. Just leave the thing to dry out, because it's quite wet. There's quite a lot of steam gone into that. This is a cotton fabric which will take the heat, but it's quite damp, and you want to make sure that it dries out, and it dries out nicely without any bubbles. So I let it dry off for 10 minutes, half an hour, depending on how warm your room is, and then I will come back and check it out and make sure I can't see any bubbles, and again going down at a nice low angle so you can see that, and give it a second going over, perhaps with a hot dry iron. If it's all looking lovely and no problem at all, it's happy days and the job's done well. If not, give it a second go over with a hot dry iron. Thank you.